Welcome to Vinachaki's factory in Duong. We are the leading manufacturer and exporter of premium BBQ charcoal in Vietnam, established with a vision to deliver the highest quality charcoal. Vinachaki has grown into a trusted brand, supplying products to customers worldwide. Our warehouse is the backbone of our operations, spanning thousands of square meters to accommodate massive stockpiles of charcoal. With carefully organized storage sections and advanced inventory management systems, we guarantee the availability of products for both domestic and international markets. At Vinachaki, we believe that our success also lies in our people. From experienced technicians managing machinery to dedicated staff who handles other steps.
Not like at the brick team, but you see that the interior capacity.
Besides, our dedicated office teams also drive the company forward. Sales and marketing team expands our global reach. The logistics and operations teams ensure smooth supply chains. And our accounting specialists maintain efficiency.
这是钢铁炉，只要24个小时我们就有成品了，时间很快。但是它的缺点就是，每次生产只能有500公斤而已。
We foster a culture of teamwork, efficiency, and continuous improvement. Their hard work and commitment drive Vinachaki's reputation for excellence. At Vinachaki, we oversee the entire production process from start to finish. From raw materials, producing them into charcoal, to packing and loading process. Quality control is a top priority at Vinachaki. We not only provide high-quality customized charcoal solutions, but also offer a variety of packaging options. Whether boxes or bags, printed or unprinted, we tailor our packaging to meet our customers' specific needs. After packaging process, our products are carefully loaded onto containers. The containers pass through our in-house container weighing station for a final quality check. This step is crucial in determining both the net weight and gross weight of each shipment, ensuring compliance with export regulations and providing accurate data for logistics. We warmly welcome all customers to visit our factory and witness our commitment to excellence firsthand. Partner with us today and experience the difference in quality and performance. See you in Vietnam soon!